Do you know what's in your ice cream? You might think it's just milk, sugar, and some flavoring. But there's more to it than that. There are a few not-so-sweet ingredients that might make you think twice before reaching for that next scoop. Today, we're going to talk about 3 chemicals commonly found in ice cream: heliotropin, diethyl glycol, and benzyl acetate. First up is heliotropin, also known as piperonal. It's a compound that gives off a sweet scent, often compared to vanilla. Sounds harmless, right? Well, not quite. This chemical can cause allergic reactions in some people, leading to symptoms like itching, redness, and swelling. In severe cases, it can even cause difficulty in breathing. Next on our list is diethyl glycol. This one's a bit more sinister. It's a cheap substitute for egg yolks and fats, commonly used in low-quality ice creams. But this chemical is also used in antifreeze. You know, the stuff you put in your car's engine to keep it from freezing. Ingesting diethyl glycol can lead to kidney damage and nervous system disorders. Last but not least, we have benzyl acetate. This is another compound used for its sweet, fruity aroma, especially strawberry flavor. But don't let the pleasant smell fool you. Inhalation of benzyl acetate can cause irritation of the respiratory tract, while long-term exposure can lead to skin and eye irritations. So, what does all this mean for you and your ice cream-loving family? It means that it's more important than ever to know what's in your food. It's easy to get lost in the sweet, creamy goodness of ice cream. But remember, not all that glitters is gold. Or in this case, not all that is sweet is good for you. To summarize, we've learned that heliotropin can cause allergic reactions, diethyl glycol can lead to kidney damage and nervous system disorders, and benzyl acetate can cause irritation of the respiratory tract and skin. So next time you're in the ice cream aisle, take a moment to check the ingredients. These ingredients are skillfully hidden behind words like artificial flavoring agents, stabilizers, sweeteners, so on and so forth. Your health and the health of your loved ones may depend on it. Remember, knowing what's in your food is just as important as enjoying it. In the end, moderation is key. You don't have to give up ice cream entirely. So go ahead, enjoy that ice cream. Information in this video is scientifically sourced. Just make sure you know what's in it first.